Okay, I'm going to make a sweet potato pie. And I have, what I did was I basically wrapped each, make sure you rinse your sweet potatoes and wrap each one in a foil. You don't have to poke or do anything. And just put them in the oven until they cook. And usually about 45 minutes is usually how long it takes to cook. You put all those sweet potatoes in there. And what I have is a mixture of marzipan and some cream cheese. I'm going to add that into there. It's about 6 ounces. I don't know how many pounds is that. Let me see. I don't know. Maybe that's like, that's a good pound or so. I'm going to go ahead and add some, this off real quick. Add some butternut squash to my sweet potato pies. Yeah! Add like maybe a cupful. Yeah, I think that'll be nice. I'm just going to give it a little extra moisture in there. And then I'm going to add, gotta have my cups right here. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. Where's my towel? Oh, there it is. Pinch of salt to that. Oh, maybe a couple of pinches. I'm going to add some regular sugar. Then I'm going to add some vanilla. And I'm going to add some nutmeg. Yeah, gotta have that nutmeg in there. Then I'm going to add, and you can use it as your preference, add some cinnamon. I love cinnamon in there. And some pumpkin spice. And I'm going to take my microplane, and this is going to have a little twist to it, and I'm going to go ahead and add the zest of 1 orange. I feel like I'm pressed for time because I have just a few minutes left. I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Let's get this little knife here. Cut it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my juice in there. Oh, and if those chunks of oranges go in there, that's fine. Oh, that's going to be good. Juice and the zest of 1 orange. And you can add, at this point, you can add some egg whites, or you can add some regular eggs. I'm just going to go ahead and add regular eggs to that. Okay. Oh, and I'm going to add some brown sugar. I like adding a little bit of brown sugar, just a little. If you want to use some maple syrup instead as a sweetener, it's healthier. Or you can add some honey to that. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep my regular sugar in there, and then in moderation, right? If you want to use the organic sugar instead, you can. And then I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of that milk. I mean, you can where I have the infused. This is going to be nice. Okay, and then I'm going to take my multiplier here, my immersion blender multiplier. There, I got to put my eggs in there. So instead of adding butter, I'm adding cheese, cream cheese, and a mascarpone, which is going to give that nice, rich, buttery taste. Let's put those eggs in there. And when you crack them, make sure that side, you don't want any of those. Put 3 eggs in that. So I'm going to get a fork, mix it up, just beat up those eggs, put it in there. Okay. And you can also, I'm sure there's other egg alternatives. And you can just make this a traditional sweet potato pie where you just add the butter instead of the cream cheese. I'm going to try it. See, doctored up. You can add coconut oil instead. You want to alternate, and main thing you want to do is get that nice and mixed. Alrighty, I think that's good. And then I'm going to try it.